Hey guys, and welcome back to the tutorial millennial channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add that cartoon filter that has been trending on TikTok. It is the am I a hero or a villain based on like the cartoon look they portray, I guess. So you're just going to download Prequel and you're just going to select the app. Press the plus button over here and select the picture you want to edit and wait for it to import. It says please don't close Prequel or lock your device, so have this open. It takes quite a while to do, so let's just wait for it to load. And you are just going to select effects and go to this AI one and select this cartoon with a +1. So cartoon plus. Generating AI magic, please don't close Prequel or lock your device. And let's just wait for this to load again. And as you can see, it has added the effect, and to save it, press the share button on the top right corner and export it, and then save it to your device. So press save photo. Okay, save to camera roll. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!